Okay, I have a quick update. This came out from the Twitter page of Milkshake. So shout out to Milkshake. There's his information right there. But this came from Satoshi of Shiba Swap Rewards update. And I'll read this to you right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. This came out August 27th, which is today, earlier today. But before I get into the update, I definitely want to tell you about Webull and Shiba. Shiba's coming to Webull very, very soon, and you want to be ready for this movement. Click on the link below and get your account already started on Webull. I did it too. And also, if you deposit $5 or more, you'll get 2 stocks that's value up to $2,000. So you definitely want to get that gift right now. So let's go ahead and continue with the Shiba Swap Rewards update. I'm so happy they did this, and it came from the latest Medium. Now, this is what it says. With both Kyle and my parents falling ill, we both were forced to fall back to nurse them to health. Without that time, we most likely would have lost our fathers. So that family's important, families first. Now that our energy and efforts have gotten them both out of the ICU, we wanted to thank you for your understanding. So we thank you as well for this update, Satoshi and your family. But what about the delay? Our deepest apologies to make sure there isn't anything delayed in the rewards process for Shiba Swap SHIB Army. Kyle has begun the implementation of a new automated system for rewards, which is a good idea that will allow other members of the technology breed or any top dog to run the rewards in the case of an emergency. So thank you, Satoshi, for coming out with this information. Shout out to Milkshake of posting this on the Twitter page, on that person's Twitter page, because when I go look at this right now, I did get the rewards from last time. And so now it's nice to know that a new system in terms of if I highlight this, a new automated system for rewards. That will be really, really good, because then now it can be consistent, and the members will understand, okay, every Sunday around this amount of time or this day, you'll understand exactly what's going to happen, or just have somebody else run rewards. Have a talk dog run the rewards. Hey, go ahead and do your thing as well. So I'm glad they're reaching out to the people doing this. Satoshi, I hope your parents and your family is safe and a beautiful recovery. And going forward, thank you so much of this whole entire process. And yes, Shiba Swap is a very, very special implementation. I know from reading and doing research, more good things is coming out from the Shiba Swap. And I'm looking in here, I did get my rewards from last time. So double check your guys' rewards to see if you got your rewards in your Shiba Swap from last time. So I'm excited for them doing this. It's all about really just reaching out to the community and understanding this. And one of the tweets, the first tweet that came out from here that says family should always come first, which is very, very important. So we look forward to the new automated system for rewards in the future. And so I'll be looking out for that and doing a video being all excited about the Shiba Swap reward, Shiba Swap rewards. All right, thank you so much for joining this video. That was just a quick update to let you know about that. Before I go, don't forget to get on Webull, sign up for your free Webull account. It's free to sign up, to be honest with you, by clicking on the link below, and you'll be ready to get Shiba on Webull. Once it's able to do it, because they're in beta testing now, then I think this will do something with the whole Shiba Swap, or the whole Shiba type industry, the whole economic industry of Shiba. I think this is really good to have Webull and Shiba together as well. So click on the link below, and I'll see you in Webull at a day and a time near you.